Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds Happy Plugs Joy on your iPhone. So the first option is to create a widget. To create a widget you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and Add Widget. Now scroll down and you need to find batteries. Right here we have it, tap at this line. You can also write in the search batteries and click here. And here's 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click Add Widget. And you can check a battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones turn on and connected with your phone. The second option is to check it at this LED light. So right here near to the USB-C port you have a button. You need to press one time at this button and you will see battery status. So if it's green, it means that you have between 80 and 100% battery level. If it's yellow, it's between 20 and 80, and if it's red, it's between 0 and 20. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!